Let us chika with each other, girl. Sa interview sa kanya ng isang showbiz insider, na wag na nating pangalanan, ay nagbigay ng ilang detalye si Donnie Pangilinan tungkol sa relasyon nila ni Bel Mariano. Sinagot ni Donnie Pangilinan ang tanong kung bakit siya naa-attract sa babae na kanyang sinisinta. Hindi pinangalanan kung sino ang nasabing special someone. Pero ang sabi ng aktor, well, I like that she has her own dreams. She has her own life. She has her own career and priorities. Ganun din naman ako. I feel like the reason why we work is because we support each other and we let each other grow. And it's nice to have someone who understands my work kasi it can be difficult. The time, the stress, and kahit yung chismis. And nagkakaintindihan kami kasi nasa pareho kaming trabaho. And alam niya exactly what I'm talking about.